Hello again, Tom from EveryStepPhysics.com, EveryStepCalculus.com. This is a physics problem regarding moment of inertia, and I'm going to show you how my programs work on this. Incidentally, if you want to subscribe, go to the bottom right of the corner and press on that link there to subscribe to see more of my videos that I might make. And also for the month of September, I'm selling these programs for $10. So if you want to buy these physics programs and pass your class, you can send me $10 in my PayPal account, which is tomtrumpet4@gmail.com. That's TOMTRUMPET, the number 4@gmail.com. So it's quite an opportunity to get these fabulous programs for little or nothing. This is moment of inertia, so we're going to go to my main menu. We put physics in here with the open and close parentheses to, after you load them into your calculator, after you buy them from me. And I'm already at moment of inertia here to save some time in the video. And we're going to press number 7 here, rectangle and rods. You can scroll to it with the cloverleaf thing here, or press the number in front of the program. We're going to enter the first rod here. You have to press alpha first before you enter anything into my entry lines here. So that's alpha, and we're going to put 3 in here. I do conversions for you. Remember, I made these programs for me, and I needed all the help I can get in physics and calculus in my electrical engineering degree. It's all a bunch of nonsense, you know, but I mean, I guess it's supposed to develop your mind to be a great engineer or something. Never use this stuff ever. Let's do the next one. Alpha 2 kilograms. Third one is alpha 4 kilograms, and alpha 2 kilograms. We're going to enter the short side of the rectangle here. Alpha 4 meters, and the long side is alpha 6 alpha 6 meters. And we got 3, 2, 4, 2, and 4 and 6. Looks pretty good. We're going to say it's okay. Here's the formula for moment of inertia: mass times r squared. The sum of these different calculations here. And here's the x-axis. Half of it is number 2. That's what we're doing for the radius. And our first rod times the radius. Write this stuff exactly like you see it. Turned out to be 12, 8, 16, and 8. Turned out to be 44 kilograms times meter squared. Then we do the y section. That's 3. The radius is 3 meters right here. And them down, and then you come up with the calculations of what 27, 18, 36, and 18 turns out to be 99 kilograms. And you add them up, which is 44.99, you get 143 kilograms times meters squared. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepPhysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass physics. Hey, have a good one. Good luck, huh?